Microsoft Defender for Cloud is a cloud native security platform that helps you protect, detect, and respond to threats across your Azure, hybrid, and multi cloud environments. It provides unified security management, continuous assessment of your resources, and built in threat protection to strengthen your overall security posture. Let's explore some of the built in tools that can assist you in identifying, assessing, and remediating the security risk. You can get to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud by searching it in the Azure search bar as shown. This is the homepage of the Microsoft Defender for Cloud, which shows you overall security posture for your environment. For identifying, assessing, and remediating security risk, you will make use of the various options such as recommendations, attack path analysis, security alerts, inventory, Cloud Security Explorer, and workbooks under the general menu on the left hand side. The recommendations menu in Microsoft Defender for Cloud provides a centralized view of security best practices and risk-based suggestions to help you secure your cloud environment. This dashboard continuously analyzes Azure and connected cloud resources, then surface actionable recommendation prioritized by risk level, such as medium or low, as shown in this example. Each item points to a specific configuration or protection that should be enabled, like a malware scanning, email alerts, or dependent plans. Why this dashboard is helpful in day-to-day operation? Because it helps you stay on top of potential security gaps before they become incidents. And you can focus your attention based on risk levels, making sure critical issues get addressed first. In short, the recommendations menu acts like your cloud security checklist, which is updated in real time. So you can secure resources, meet compliance goals, and reduce exposure with less guesswork. Attack path analysis is a feature designed to help you identify and prioritize the most exploitable vulnerabilities in your cloud environment. Attack path analysis highlights the riskiest combinations of misconfigurations, permissions, and exposures that attackers could use to move through your environment. Defender for Cloud collects data across resource configurations, public exposure settings, network traffic, identity, and permissions. It then uses graph-based analysis and algorithms to detect chains of vulnerabilities, not just isolated issues that could be leveraged in a real-world attack. Why this is useful in day-to-day operation? Because instead of reacting to a long list of security issues, you get a clear picture of which combinations could actually be used in an attack. It doesn't just show what is misconfigured, it shows how attackers could use those misconfigurations together to compromise your system. The tool factors in the context of each issue, like data sensitivity or privilege level, so you can fix the most impactful problems first. It guides your remediation strategy by helping you focus where it matters most, making sure your security operations are more efficient. In the given example, even if no attack paths are currently found, this tool is critical. It's not just checking boxes, it's helping you think like an attacker so you can stay one step ahead. For security teams, it's a powerful decision-making tool in Microsoft Defender for Cloud that adds intelligence and context to your cloud defense strategy. Security alerts is where Azure surfaces real-time alerts for suspicious or malicious activity detected in your cloud environment. This page helps you monitor and respond to security threats by collecting data from your Azure environment, and if hybrid, if connected, running analytics and machine learning models, and raising alerts when unusual, risky, or confirmed malicious activity is detected. Examples of alerts include security incident detected, SQL injection attempt, RDP brute force attack, or suspicious processes executed. Why security alert page is useful for day-to-day operations? Because you get real-time visibility into potential threats, which will allow your team to act before damage is done. Each alert comes with a severity level, such as high, medium, or low, so you know which incidents to prioritize. You can use these alerts to quickly trace and investigate what happened, where it happened, and how to respond. It is integrated with Azure Logic apps or automation workflows, so you can trigger automatic responses for certain alert types. Security alerts support compliance efforts by providing audit trails of detection and response as well. Bottom line, this page is your security command center. In day-to-day cloud operations, it gives your SOC or IT team the insight needed to detect, respond to, and prevent attacks, all from one place. Whether you are handling incidents manually or automating them, this alert feed keeps your cloud environment safe and under control. Inventory page gives you a centralized view of your cloud assets and their security posture. This page shows number of cloud assets Defender for Cloud is monitoring and resources with active security issues or risk. Why this page is useful for day-to-day operations? Because it gives you a quick snapshot of all your resources across multiple clouds, which will help you avoid blind spots. You can instantly see which resources are healthy or at risk, which will help you prioritize your response. You can click into any resource to see detailed recommendations and track which security actions need to be taken. By monitoring unhealthy resources daily, you can stay on top of emerging security risks and reduce exposure windows. Bottom line, the inventory page acts as your cloud asset security dashboard, which will help you keep track of what you own, where it lives, and what needs fixing. It's an essential view for cloud security admins and DevSecOps teams to maintain security hygiene and compliance across all environments. Cloud Security Explorer is a powerful tool that allows you to search, query, and analyze your cloud environment for potential security risk. Cloud Security Explorer is an interactive query-based threat hunting tool. It enables you to run pre-built or custom queries across your cloud resources to identify misconfigurations, vulnerabilities, and security issues in real time. Using this tool, you can begin crafting custom queries using the built-in query builder or start from scratch to explore your cloud environment. Why this is useful for day-to-day operations? Because instead of waiting for alerts, you can proactively search for weak points in your environment before they are exploited. The templates will help you instantly find specific problems. No deep SQL knowledge is required in that case. Security teams can quickly identify patterns, isolate high-risk resources, and take action faster than combining through multiple dashboards. You can create and save queries tailored to your organization environments, making recurring checks easier to manage. With shareable queries and CSV export, it is easier to coordinate investigations with DevOps, compliance, or IT teams. Bottom line, Cloud Security Explorer empowers you to move from reactive to proactive cloud security management. It is a go-to tool for cloud security analysts and engineers to monitor, investigate, and improve your security posture with precision and speed. Workbook is a dashboarding and visualization space where you can track, analyze, and report on your cloud security posture using interactive workbooks. Workbooks are customizable dashboards built on top of Azure Monitor and Log Analytics. This page provides both built-in templates and the ability to create or modify your own dashboards. How it is useful for day-to-day operations? Because you can quickly see security KPIs, threat activity, and compliance status in one place. Workbooks can show both live and historical data, which will help teams identify trends or sudden spike in security incidents. Security analysts can use these dashboards to prioritize remediation and track response metrics. You can share workbook views with leadership or compliance teams for transparency and audit readiness. And you can tailor dashboard to specific roles or workloads. Bottom line, the workbooks gallery is like your cloud security control room, which will offer ready to use and customizable dashboards that make security data useful, visible, and actionable. For daily operations, it boosts situational awareness, streamlined decision making, and supports both technical and strategic oversight. I hope you have a good understanding now on the built-in tools to identify, assess, and remediate security issues.